In the name of all, good afternoon. Today is Friday, time in Sydney, Australia. Right now, as you can see on the corner here, is 12 minutes past 1 p.m. Friday, 19th of July 2024. This is part 2 for the Euro USD that I gave you 2 nights ago about selling and buying for Euro USD. I find a level and I gave you the direction for those levels for the sell first, and then we have it for buy. And this is part 2. If you remember, on the 17th of the July, 2 nights ago, when I make this video, part 1, you can watch them in this video. I mentioned where the market is heading for Euro USD. If you watch this video, you will see what I have said. So before I go to the chart, as I always ask you, please pause the video and read this, and I explain. So this is a screenshot when I did the part 1. Okay, the price was here. You can see the time. It was 10:38 p.m. late night when I came home. I was very tired, and I mentioned that I'm not going to babysitting the chart, and I said the price, the Euro USD is for sale, but I have to get the signal. Actually, let me reply what I have said on the video. I'm not going to repeat myself. This is the video part 1. I'm going to go to this and reply this one. You can hear it what I have said. Okay, just 1 second, please. So please watch what I have said. So the price is here right now, as you can see, and we are actually waiting for the software that we have to give us the signal to sell. When we're talking about a signal, I'm talking about this red arrow when it's appear here, because we are in the 15 minutes time frame. And if it's happening and we got a signal arrow in this area of the selling zone, we can enter the trade for this level of TP1, TP2, TP3, and final one is TP4. And if price pass this and come into this area, and if we get a green signal, we have opportunity to buy again to this level of. Okay, as you can hear and see it, I mentioned price need to come. If we get a signal from our software, red signal in this area, then we can enter to those trade. And I said what I have said, and 1.08933, and also this level of 1.09228. So okay, let me go to the chart now. Okay, this is the chart. We mentioned the price was here. I said we are waiting for the software to give us the signal to enter to the trade. And that night, when I make the first one, I was very tired. I did not actually sit and wait for the arrow. Next day, the arrow, it happened, but I wasn't at the computer at that time, and I did not actually see this one. Again, I was very busy yesterday. I didn't have chance to follow up, but as you can see, price came, hit the TP1 as I have predicted for you guys, TP1, and then I said finally price need to come and hit the TP4, TP2, TP3, and TP4. It means taking profit 1, taking profit 2, taking profit 3 and 4. And you can see the price is right here now. Okay, and we have the signal now, okay, to enter for this level. Let me actually enter the trade now, because we got a signal. New order, I'm gonna buy. Okay, about 10 pip. From here to here is about 13 pip, so we have to put about 7 pip around this area as a stop loss. So it would be 10885. Okay, this is going to be our stop loss. Let me change the color to not get confused. Okay, I mentioned before in the video, if you listen, I have said if price coming past TP4, okay, and if we get a signal, we can buy it to this. Let me reply it again and see. 0.92028. So, but if price keep continue coming down and past this two green line and come into this area level of 1.08933 and also this level of 1.092028. So, but if price keep continue coming down and past these two green line, TP1, TP2, TP3, and final one is TP4, and if price pass this and come into this area, and if we get a green signal, we have opportunity to buy again to this level of 1.08933 and also this level of 1.092028. Okay, this is what I have said to you guys. I said price coming to this area, which now came, and we got a signal. I entered the trade. I supposed to do it in TP1 and here, but I put it for the taking profit to this level, and I put this one as a stop loss. I'm not going to put a stop loss. This is just a virtual one. The reason is this: sometimes market goes down. I show you this one. Let me show you this. Sometimes price coming down here, okay, and then hit the level and bounce back up again. Okay, if this price come here and we have red candlestick here and past this virtual stop loss, I'm not going to close the trade. The reason is this: because market maker know the platform and the broker, they know where the stop loss is, and they can actually do this. But my way of the stop loss is this: I will wait for the second candlestick. All right, there is two scenario. If the second candlestick, like this one, still is red, immediately I'm going to close the trade in loss. But if this one is green, okay, I'm not going to close the trade. I will actually, if I'm greedy, I'll put another trade, second entry for this level, not for this level, okay, and then recover. If we have hit by a stop loss in this one is red, then I will wait for another arrow appears here, and then I enter to the trade to this level, okay. But if we have the first candlestick red, I'm not get panicked to close the trade. I will wait for the second one. If this one is, the second one is red, yes, I close the trade in loss, and I wait for another arrow appears here, then I enter for recovery to this level only. All right, you know, this software that I have now is green. It means that we are in the profit, but doesn't mean I am going to be on profit all the time. No, sometimes it goes red, which is loss. Sometimes it's black. It's black is mean break even. At the moment we are in the profit, and hopefully price is going to go. The normal way is here. I should actually put the taking profit here, because this one is very strong level. It might bounce back and go down, and then eventually would come up. But I put it on the second one. As I said to you before on the video, you can watch that. Now you can see is moving. So hopefully, if everything happen, and then if I hit the stop loss, then I make the part 3. If it goes to taking profit, which is here, I make the part 3. in both way, but I don't know when I'm gonna have time to make the video. So follow up, you can watch and just mark it on your chart just to see what's happening. So in the name of who, I'm going to close this video. Thanks for watching. Yahoo. The prediction I gave you in the beginning 2 nights ago was for sale was correct, and now we are going for the buy, and hopefully I will make the part 3 when this happen. So before I go, in the name of who, pause the video and read this. Look after yourself and your family, as I always say. In the name of who, I'm gonna close this video. Yahoo. Thanks for watching. Done. Finish.